Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Vacchi, closing wrap up, Princetontrader.com. Just real quick. So look, we spent the day between the 9-day, didn't engage the lower level. You got the 200 there on the continuation contract, 200-day exponential, 42.88, which they really weren't able to touch. The story of the day really was the inability. It's what both sides couldn't do, okay? So here's a 5-minute chart. The Bears, let me back this out one. So the Bears could not deal with 4,300 all day. They had trouble with that last week. They had trouble with it today. You had, this 42.96 area, you essentially have matching lows. You have to wonder if this last 15 minutes, if they're going to punish them to the upside on a multi-day basis for an inability to take care of that. But before we get ahead of ourselves, the bulls have demonstrated a complete inability to trade over either the hourly midband here and here or the new weekly pivot at 43.29.92. They tested our proprietary upper level, couldn't get that done. They did get it done with our proprietary lower level, couldn't deal with VWAP here, and we end up, by 345, 350, we're sitting right at 17s, which is right where we opened the day. So we went everywhere and nowhere all at once. That was really, the day. Hourly chart, you can see, the question tonight into tomorrow is, did we just experience a little bit of profit taking in the last hour? Or are we going to head to the upside? Now look, before we start singing the praises of the bulls for not getting absolutely routed in the afternoon today, this is a lower low versus Friday, okay? And it's a lower low versus Thursday. They haven't taken out 42.77 at this point, but at the same time, I don't want to doom them to failure because they didn't have a 3% down day today. All the bears have done is seal off the 9-day, seal off daily mid-band and everything in between. So, there was a little bit of a ramp, but nothing fatal, nothing, and it puts them in a position, honestly, to really seal off weekly pivot. And if this holds here and we open up tomorrow morning somewhere closer to 4,300, they have to deal with that roundie, though. They just have to do it. If they do, then their life's going to get a heck of a lot easier because getting down to that 77 and getting down to, say, 42.50 and breaking that 200-day and sealing off that 200-day exponential, which is the real deal on the daily chart, that all starts with defending these areas up here, which they're doing a decent job of. Trading wise, it was a good day. I mean, it was choppy and whippy, through most of that middle stuff there. But we hit all our numbers today, which is great. And I always like to hit all the numbers for the week on Monday because it takes a lot of pressure off the rest of the week, which we were able to do today. So that's cool. Let's see how we trade tonight. For subscribers, we're going to have a webcast 7 o'clock tonight over on Circle. So tune into that. You can watch it live and ask questions, or it'll be available in a recording afterward. I want to thank all the new people that have come in. Check out the chat room. Appreciate having you. For everybody else out there, come check out the Circle community. You've got charts there, you've got pivots, you've got the morning webcast, you've got this wrap up, and you got tutorials and things like that. So it's a great place to learn. I will be back on the YouTube stuff tomorrow morning for the Tuesday webcast. So everybody have a great night. Take care. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.